The product backlog, your Agile guiding light. This essential tool, when properly understood and utilized, can illuminate your path to success. However, your product backlog can also be the very log that stomps you in the face, hindering progress and causing frustration. Here's why. Greetings from David Detzold. As leaders, we often find ourselves navigating complex challenges. Think about the last time you were the kind of loss that comes from being deeply enmeshed in your work, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks and decisions. Was it because the objective itself was too fuzzy, lacking clear definition and direction? Or perhaps the route there was filled with an overwhelming number of competing priorities, pulling your team in multiple directions simultaneously? For far too many CEOs and business leaders, the product backlog is perceived as a confusing one-way street. To them, it's merely a static list of tasks to cross off, a burdensome chore to keep up with, rather than a dynamic strategic asset. In Agile, of course, the backlog is anything but static. It is a living, breathing embodiment of your strategic vision, constantly evolving to meet market demands. It is a powerful compass guiding your product development, not just a simple to-do list. A strong, effective backlog is the result of a continuous process of considered judgment and strategic alignment, not just a static checklist of features. It's a living text that needs to be studied repeatedly, analyzed, and often prompts difficult, yet crucial, conversations among your leadership team and stakeholders. It requires leaders and their teams to consistently ask fundamental questions. Is what we're solving truly the most critical problem for our customer right now? Are we addressing their most pressing needs and pain points effectively? Have market conditions shifted significantly since we last reviewed our priorities? Is this really still the most important and impactful work we could be doing to achieve our strategic goals in the current environment? These profound questions cannot be answered by the mere ability of traditional project management alone. It's about cultivating a proactive mindset of continuous reinvention, adapting, and evolving with the market and customer needs. It means being willing to be truly agile and pivot quickly when circumstances demand it, and to be courageous enough to cut from its design that which no longer serves its desired ends or strategic objectives, even if it means letting go of past efforts. This is the essence of what true Agile leadership looks like in practice. It is being able to view your backlog not as a heavyweight tied to your ankle, dragging you down, but rather as a dynamic source of wealth and innovation, propelling your organization forward. When you embrace this perspective and actively manage your backlog as a strategic asset, you will see a new level of clarity and focus emerge within your organization. This transformation will profoundly impact how you lead and how your team performs, driving greater success and efficiency. We'd love to hear from you. What's one specific thing you do to ensure the ongoing health and relevance of your product backlog? And how do you keep it consistently aligned with your strategic North Star? Please share your insights and experiences with us in the comments below.